In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change crosshair color in AutoCAD drawings. If your crosshair blends into the background, or you just want a color that's easier on the eyes, changing it is quick and makes a big difference in comfort and accuracy. Start in your drawing area with the command line visible. Click into the command line and type Options, then press Enter. This opens the Options window, which is where AutoCAD stores most of its display and interface settings. Along the top of the Options window, find and open the Display tab. This tab controls how your workspace looks. In the Display tab, look for the section labeled Window Elements and click the button that says Colors. This opens the Drawing Window Colors dialog, where you'll choose exactly what you want to change and what color to use. At the top, you'll see a setting for context. Make sure it's set to 2D model space if you're working in a typical 2D drawing. This tells AutoCAD which environment you're adjusting. Next, look for the interface element list. From that list, select crosshairs. Now you're telling AutoCAD you specifically want to change the crosshair color, not the background or the grid. On the right, choose your new color. You can pick from standard colors or define a custom one, whichever gives you the best contrast against your current background. A bright, high-contrast color often works best to reduce eye strain and help you spot your cursor quickly. You'll usually see a preview so you can confirm it looks right before applying it. When you're happy, confirm your choice to apply the change and close the dialog. Your crosshair color should update immediately in the drawing area. If you don't see the change, there's a good chance you're currently in 3D model space or switching between 2D and 3D views. In that case, reopen the Colors dialog, change the context to 3D model space, select crosshairs again in the interface element list, and choose the same color there as well. That ensures consistency no matter which modeling space you're using. That's all there is to it. By using the Options window, the Display tab, and the Colors dialog, you can quickly set a crosshair color that improves visibility and suits your workflow. If you ever want to adjust it again, repeat these same steps and try a different shade until it feels just right. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a clearer, more comfortable drafting experience.